Hey, that's a nice car you got here, boy.
Did anybody see Francis?
How old are you anyway?
10.
You know how to drive this big old car?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a big ass golf cart.
Yes.
Gas and brake. Good job. Okay, I gotta tow this Ford Explorer, and I'm hoping it fits in this trailer we have. I got the tractor holding down the tongue because I don't have another vehicle to hitch the trailer to so that it doesn't lift up as I try to load this car up. I did a little bit of work on this thing. I framed it all up because the supports, the cross supports were all sagging. They had a belly in them, so I put jacks up under there and welded a bunch of, pretty much framed it up all across there, all the way down, so that it wouldn't sag anymore. And I was gonna put lumber on here, but we were in a hurry, and we happened to have this one inch thick plywood. So I threw it on there real quick because code enforcement was wanting us to get rid of all this crap. So I happen to have this stuff on here, or this stuff in the yard. So I had a bunch of that stuff left over. So I put it in there because I was sick of stuff potentially falling out of these damn trailers like this. And then I was also sick of not having something to keep stuff from falling out of the back. So I built these as a I guess like a back tailgate, and also extra ramp extensions, because the ramps on here are only 3 feet long, and anytime we've ever loaded a smaller vehicle onto here, the damn ramps are so short that it makes it too steep, and it touches the bottom of the vehicle and either scrapes it or just high centers it and doesn't get it up on the trailer. So let's try it out and see if it'll work out. This will be the first time I use these things. All right, so I put these little nubbers on here. So all these entire tailgates, and they're not too heavy either. I'm hoping I built them strong enough to be light enough to pick up like this, but strong enough not to bend with at least the vehicle. Maybe our tractor would be able to bend them, but we'll see in the future. But I put these little nubs on here so that as we get traction, if we need to, give it a little more gas, it won't pull the ramp out from under the car. That way it really gives it traction. Oh yeah, that looks like it helps a lot. I'm not sure about when we get past, this will lift up. I don't know, it's gonna be a close call with the vehicle. All right, that was I started slipping on this damn wood, spinning out, and shifted me over against that rail. Okay, so now as long as I go straight back, I should be able to get it off. I was also worried that the tires might break through the plywood, but it's 1 inch thick, and I have, the framing supports under there, so I kind of heard it crack a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't get worse than that. That was like super freaking stressful because I really didn't want to dent the car or scratch it any more than it already is. And I also didn't know if those ramps would work. They moved a little bit, but I had to give it some gas because the trailer's moving forward and backward where the bucket's holding it down. All right, got it up, got it down. All right. It used to be a complete pain in the ass to load vehicles onto this trailer. It was too damn steep. Now, with these sweet ass, let's see, they look a little straighter than when I welded them. It kind of warped a little when I welded them. And all this material is what the damn code enforcement would consider rubbish. All this shit was free. All of it. All of it was free scrap metal that I had laying around. Next time around, I'll fix these damn tail lights.